number, about the arrangement of the number. How to arrange the numbers from smaller to greater, from greater to smaller. Then what we are calling from arrangement of the number from smaller to greater? It is what? Ascending order. AO. If you are arranging the numbers from greater to smaller, it is what? Descending order. Yes, these two orders we understood. But only we have discussed about the numbers in Indian number system. Only we have selected the numbers from Indian number system. So today we have to take some of the international number systems and we have to arrange those in we have to arrange those in both ascending order as well as descending order. Okay, shall we take it? Ready? Okay, I hope everybody have done that homework. Some of you sent that through the WhatsApp, some of you not sent. Please dear student, be regular. Yes, you should be regular. And one more thing I wanted to tell you. How many of you got the material, means textbooks? Try to solve those textbook problems in your notebook. Make one of the separate notebook for the maths. Whatever the classwork I am doing here, take that same notebook. And also whatever the homework I am giving, that also you have to do in that same book. Yes, don't make the separate part, classwork, homework. No, continuation. So related concept you have to be get in one way only, in a continuous page only. Okay. So for that purpose, take one of the new notebook. Already we have written, it's enough. You not writing still. So please take a notebook. In that only you have to continue everything here. Yes. Okay. Now I will take some of the international numbers and we have to arrange those numbers in ascending as well as descending order. Shall we? Okay. Arrange this in ascending as well as descending order. Okay. Take the heading. Arrange the numbers in just one. Numbers in ascending order and descending order. Okay. So just I will give you a first set of number. What it is? 3,454,360. Next, 2,056,300. So next, 10,323,000. Next, 1,323,000. Arrange these all set of numbers in both ascending as well as descending order. Is it visible? Okay. So I hope everybody getting this one. So dear students, first you have to observe the places as well as place values as well as the digits. Those digits in which place, what is the place value, please you have to observe and arrange in ascending order as well as descending order. What is mean by ascending order? Means 4 to 5 days back you taught to us. So we are not understanding. Don't say like that. Ascending means what? Your mother boxes, how she is arranging those all boxes in your kitchen room. In ascending order, smaller one first, next coffee powder, tea powder, sugar, flour, like that she was arranging her boxes in the kitchen room. That is smaller, bigger, 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 bigger means what it is? Ascending order. Descending means it's exactly reverse order. So now ascending order, which is the least number here in between. Just observe here. 3 million it is, 2 million, 10 million, 1 million. Just observe, if you observe the million place numbers here, you will get to know which one is greater. Okay. If between 3 million, 2 million, 1 million and 10 million, which one is the least? Very good. 1 million is the least number here. So first we have to take the least one. 1,323,000. Next, in between 3 million, 2 million, 10 million, which one is the least? 2 million. So 2,056,300. Next, 3,454,316. Next, 2,056,300. So next, lastly, 1,323,000. Okay, this is the arrangement in both ascending as well as descending order. I hope everybody got to know this one, how to arrange. Yes? Okay. Now shall I give one more? All of you ready? Yes? Arush? Okay, everyone is ready. Good. Now take your, yes, take your 454,716, 348,416. Next, 5,540,316. Next, 687,341. Just 4 set of numbers I have given. Please arrange these in ascending as well as descending order. Please do it fast. How many of you have completed? I am checking your answer. Everybody how to solve and show me. Please do it fast. Yes? Do it fast. Okay, please tell me how many of you have completed. Show me fast. Deepak? Yes, Ayush? Vaishnavi? Srijan? Tanushri? Ashwika? Yes, do it fast. Pranati? Chetan? Sai Shakti? Uttam? Dhruv Patil? So, sir, where are you? Still simply you are sitting and laughing. Do that work, sir. Dhruv, write it fast. Arrange those numbers in ascending as well as descending order. Okay, who is this one, madam? Shifa, on your video. Shifa, fast on your video. Shifa. Who is Shifa here, or else I will delete your name here. On your video, must and should. Shifa, you are sleeping, not writing even single number also. Shifa. Shifa, where's your notebook, pen? Shifa, is my voice is audible to you? Who is Shifa here? Ah, yes. Please tell me, madam. Is it my voice is audible to you? Yes, okay. Tell me. Do it fast. Show me your answer. Show me your answer. Ascending, descending order. Yes, next Pranati, Sai Shakti, Uttam, Ramesh, Anushka. Good, good. Anvi. Anvi, please hold your book properly, madam. Anvi. Good girl. Correct answer, Anvi. You have arranged very correctly. Ascending as well as descending order. Both it is correct. Good girl. Anushka Huddar, where are you, madam? Anushka Huddar. Anushka. Not there here. Okay. Arush. Shriya. Karthik. Yes. Balaji Gunda. Gunda have completed. Show me please. Show me your answer fast. You have to do it fast. Okay. I hope everyone you have done. Good. Good. Everybody you are showing here. Good. Joya. Good girl. Joya, your answer. Joya, descending order, ascending order. Third and fourth number you did not arrange properly. Please once you check it, madam. Joya, once you check it, your answer. Yes, Mayur, correct answer. Then Krishna, Sai Sampath, Vinod, Joya, please check it, madam. Once again, your answer. Third and fourth number you did not arrange properly. Okay, just see here. After 100 place, here also 100 place, here million place. After 100 place, you are getting the million place. It means always every 100 place it is less than the million place. Obviously, 100 place kinta million dod dillre. So here million place is more, and everywhere here only 100 place numbers are there. But here only million place, only one number. Yes. So everywhere nothing means 0 million, 0 million, 0 million. Okay. Now, so this is the highest number. 5 million it is more than all the 0 million. Okay. Now, in between 400, 300, 600,000, which one is the least one? In between 300, 400, 600, which one is the least? Very good. 300 is least. So here the number 348,416 is the least number. So it's next in between 400 and 500, 600. Which one is the least? 400 is least. So our number 454,716. Next 687,341. Its greatest number is here. 5,540,316. So just we have to arrange these numbers in reverse way. That is a descending order. So greatest we have to write here first 5,540,316. Next one 687,341. Next one 454,716. So next one 348,416. This is the arrangement of ascending as well as descending order. If you take even the Indian number system of the numbers or international system, both are so easy. Now, everybody, are you ready? Shall I give one more? Shall I give one more? Show me how many of you are ready. Show me your thumb like this way, please. How many of you are ready? Good. Good. On your video, show me how many of you are ready. Good. Everybody is ready. Good, 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 good. Yes. Ready. Now I will give you very interesting number. Please arrange these numbers both ascending as well as descending order. Ready? We take here third one 4,541,316. 4,541,316. 25 million enough. Next one 2,34,728. So next number 23,470,470. So please arrange these four set of numbers in both ascending as well as descending order. Please read fast. Everybody. I want the answer from everyone. Please, dear student, arrange these numbers in ascending as well as descending order. Read fast. Yes. Read fast. Good. So many of you are doing good. Very good. Write it fast. Just observe the million or 10 million place numbers here. Please observe that. How many of you have completed? Pranati, Vinod, Chetan, Sai Shakti, Karthik, Shri Sai, Deepak, Madam, Shifa. Shifa, Shifa, be here. Shriya, SB, do it fast. Do it fast, Shriya. Okay. So everybody please on your video. Ramesh, Anvi, Balaji, Bhavar, Vivek, Gujjanavar on your video. Yes, good. Okay. Bhavar, have you completed? No. Okay, write it fast. Arrange these numbers fast. Yes, good. Okay, one. Harsha Gowda is ready. Harsha Gowda, please hold your book properly. Harsha, hold your book properly. Select front camera. Or if you are opening front camera, select the back camera. Then you can hold the book properly. Still I am not getting clearly, sir. Harsha. Okay, Harsha, wait. Okay. Ascending order, 2 million. Next, 4 million. Next, 23 million. Finally, 25 million. Very good. Harsha, ascending order, it is correct. Please arrange those in descending order also. Arrange it in descending order. Good boy. Correct answer. Yes, again, anybody ready here? 23 million. Just observe. First one. So just observe here. Million place here 4 million. Here 25 million. 2 million. 23 million. So out of 25, 23, 4 and 2. Which one is the least number? Very good. 2 million is the least number. So ascending order. 2,34,728. So next, in between 23 million, 25 million, 4 million, which one is the least one? Very good. 4 million is the least one. So 4,541,316. Next one, in between 25 million and 23 million, which one is the least one? Very good. 23,470,470. So lastly, which one is the highest number here? 25 million. Here the highest number is what? 25 million. So what about the descending order? It's exactly reverse order is the descending order. So just take your descending order. 25 million. Next, 23,470,470. It's next. 4,541,360. So finally, the least number is what here? 2,34,728. This is the arrangement of the numbers in ascending as well as descending order. Okay? Yes, I hope everybody have done. Yes, good. Network problem. Okay, dear student, I hope here there is no doubt in between ascending order as well as descending order. So you can arrange now both Indian number system as well as international number system in both ascending order as well as descending order. So dear student, we have to take one of the new concept, one of the new friend we have to introduce here in your maths, that we will see here. So what's our new friend? Who is that? In our maths, what is the new concept? Who is the new friend? We will see him. Already you have studied this one also in your 4th standard. But once again, we have to study this friend. Who is this new friend? His name is rounding the numbers. Who is it? Rounding numbers or estimation of the numbers. So what we are studying here? like that, already you know. So just I am asking you some of the questions. What is the rounding? Where we are using this rounding the number or estimation? Dear student, in our day-to-day life, from morning onwards till night while sleeping, up to that time, we are using this concept, that is estimation. How, madam, how you are using? Yes. Today morning, I woke up, everybody woke up. So what is your first work? Every day morning, you will go to bathroom, you will take a toothbrush. This is my toothbrush here. This is my paste. Paste. Yes. Everybody have observed on a paste, this is a 500 gram. This is a 600 gram. So how much quantity this paste has, you will get to know by mark. So sometime your science teacher or English teacher teaching you only this much quantity of the paste you have to use during the brush. Like that, will she teach you? No. You have to weigh that paste and apply to your brush and brush it like that. Any condition? No. Will you measure that every day? Miss, today just I have taken 2 milligram of paste. Will you measure like that? No. And an average, how much you want? Take it. Like that you are applying to the brush. That is also one of the estimation on an average. How much you want, that much. So these all the things comes in a rounding. Round up. So how much paste you have applied? Mummy, this much only I applied. Only little I applied. Little. So easily you can say what the word? Little. That little says what here? Round figure or estimation or average. Sometimes you are eating the chapati, okay? One chapati, after that, so you are telling to your mother, 1.5 chapati I ate. Exactly did you measure that 1.5 only? Half chapati, exactly did you measure that? No. On an average you are taking 1.5 chapati. Let it be about the chapati, you can cut it very clearly, then you can eat. What about rice, upma, poha? Yes, mummy, exactly. What? Upma. Exactly these many ravas only I ate. Will you say like that? Will you say like that? No, dear student. Just, mummy, I ate 3 spoons of upma, 3 spoons of poha. You are telling. You are counting the exactly small parts from that upma. Will you count the poha parts, small parts? No, it's not able. Yes, every day if you are counting means your time will go in while counting the parts only. You will not eat. Yes? So round figure. This all condition you are taking the round. On an average. Mummy, I ate today 3 spoons of upma. Like that you are telling. Not counting. Yes? Okay, dear student. So in this way, in our day-to-day life, we are using the rounding. Means estimation. Means on an average word we are using. So how we have to estimate that? How we have to round up that? That we are studying in our today's class. For example, again we have to take some of the examples. Suppose the cost of the marker. If the cost of the marker here, how many rupees? 35 rupee 75 paise. What is the cost here? Cost of this marker is 35 rupee 75 paise. How we will write? 35.75 in terms of rupee, or 35 rupee 75 paise. You can write in this way also. This student, will you pay the amount exactly 35 rupees 75 paise only? No, miss. So 75 paise we cannot give, miss. Yes or no? So or else we will give 36 rupee or else 35 rupee we are giving. That is the estimation. That is a round up in the amount to nearest number. 35 rupees 75 paise means very nearer to 36 rupee. So less only 25 paise it is a less. No problem. I will give average or round figure. Sometimes. This is a one condition. Sometimes. I hope you everybody of you went to vegetable market. Vegetable market, did you met? Okay. There you are purchasing a chili. Yes, chili. Chili you are weighing in a balancer. Yes or no? Or will you count the number of chilies there? One chili cost is 10 paise like that. Will they give you? No, it's not possible. On an average, the some number of chilies you are getting here and you are bringing those by weighing here. Yes or no? By weighing. But we are not getting exact number of. Will you say how many chilies are there in per kg of chili? It's not possible. That is on an average. These many chilies mostly it is there. Yes. Not only chili, sometimes of grams you are purchasing. Yes, grocery if you went to grocery, you can observe there how many green grams you have purchased. Will you count it? No. How many rice you have purchased? Will you count it? The number of rice pieces will you count it? It's not possible. Everything, that's why we are taking on an average half kg, on an average 1 kg, 2 kg. We cannot use here exact numbers. So in those all conditions, we are using the estimation or rounding the numbers. So dear student, in our next class, we have to discuss about the rounding the numbers. How we have to round up the numbers. Suppose it is a 36 rupee one pen cost. Will you give exactly 36 rupee only? Means I will give 10 rupee 3 note, 5 rupee 1 coin, 1 rupee 1 coin. Yes, if you have, you can give. Sometimes if you don't have a change, what you will do? You will give 20 rupee 2 notes or 10 rupee 4 notes you will give. Yes, on an average nearer amount you are giving. So this 36 very closer to what? 40. Yes, 40 rupee you will give, then you will get back 4 rupee. If you give 30 rupee, will that shopkeeper accept your amount? No. Beta, still you have to give 6 rupee to me. Please give me 40 rupee, I will give 4 rupee change to you. You will say like that? Yes. So, how we have to round up the amount, how we have to round up the numbers, about that we will study in our next class. That is estimation, rounding the number, average the number. This all meaning is same. Please don't ask me, don't say, Miss, estimate these numbers to nearest 100 if I give. What is meaning of estimation, Miss? In our textbook there is no estimation word. Please don't say like that. Some similar words, try to learn some similar words to that concept. Yes, here rounding the numbers or estimation of the numbers, on an average, like that words you can use in here, rounding the numbers. Okay dear student, I hope this rounding numbers or estimation of the numbers in our day-to-day life we are using. So what the things we are using, we have to understand very carefully that. That's our basic necessity. So about this one, we have to must and should we have to study here. Yes, because day-to-day life we are using this concept means we have to understand. So about it, we will discuss in our next class. So now it is our time to discuss with you your doubts. So if you have any doubt regarding the arrangement of the numbers, dear student, please ask your doubts now.